You need to do such quality hard work that you will get success definitely, without any doubt. If you have ability run alone, then you will get success sure. All successful people changed the world by his decision, and every unsuccessful people changes his decision when come fair in his front. Brother, if your life not depended on another person, then you can achieve success definitely, sure. Because those whose life not depended on another person, they are successful people. You will made a failure or winner yourself. At future, it is dependent on you. If you agree with this world, then you will get failure. And if you don't agree with the world, then you will get success sure. Whenever you don't accept fate, hereunder nobody cannot fail you. Everybody want give light like sun, but they don't know the sun is burning. If you want to get success, then you need mad crazy yourself, not perfect. They are failure people, those who did not fight. Those who can fight with his inside person, he is main fighter. Those who can fight with his mind, they are original fighter. You tell to your time how many you want, you can make heart, but I will change you. This is my challenge. Who can smile that time when he had too much heart his inside? Then nobody never can make him sad. Nothing will change it if you hope, but if you believe, then everything will change it. So, fair as you are looking, don't stop. The front road will become your every small work will be count one day. Then their price will make big. Never regretting in your life. Do such quality work. Those who leave you, they will regretting one day. If you always perfect, never did anything wrong, then you understand. You never try something new. Brother, there is no any wrong if you have mistake. It will be wrong when you have mistake again and again, same mistake. You never cannot bought respect by money. Respect is a free things, and if someone give you, then you will get. Brother, that is not dream when you looking under sleep. For that hot you cannot sleep, that is original dream. When you want is something from your life, then go back to past. And if you want a life happiness in your life, then forward.